At Bhartiye Products, we are pioneers in the world of automated liquid filling solutions. With our state-of-the-art automatic oil filling machines equipped with 6 heads, we've redefined efficiency and precision in liquid packaging. Whether you're in the business of bottling oils, beverages, pharmaceuticals, or any other liquid product, we have the perfect filling machine to meet your needs. Our commitment to innovation, quality, and reliability has made us the trusted partner of countless businesses around the globe. Join the ranks of satisfied clients who have elevated their liquid packaging with our cutting-edge technology and unparalleled service. Experience the future of liquid filling with Bhartiye Products.